everyone. My name is Maricardi Capadiso, a second-year drafting technology student from MSUIT. And today, I will be going to teach you on how to create a Rubik's Cube. First, you need to type PL in short for P line with the length of 9 and width of 9 and length of 9 and width of 9 to form it like a box. And then click it and click this rectangular array, set the columns into 3, and then the space between the box set it into 9.2. Same as the rows, change it into 9.2. And then click type X, short for explode. And after you're done exploding it, you need to click this and then turn it into isometric. Then click again and then type EXT, short for extrude, like this, and with the height of 9. I set the height into 9 because the length and the width, the height should be at the same size. Click this and then type CO for copy. Click from here and going up with the height of 9.2. 9.2 plus 9.2 is 18.4. Then as you can see, it is look like a Rubik's Cube without colors. Click 3DO for rotate. And then now, type rect for rectangle, and then click it from here to here. Then click this. Click. I type extrude again, and then paste it down here. And then copy it. Paste it here. And for you to create a rectangle in here, you need to set the UCS, type UCS X to face it in the front. Then you can now click rectangle, face it from rectangle, click it in here and then to here. Type XP for extrude, then click it in here. Copy. Place it in here. type uses the click. Click the box and type X for explode. And now we will set the colors of our Rubik's Cube. First, we need to set the colors of the top. Click this box, all box in the top, and then set the colors into yellow. Because yellow is always top. And then this side is color orange. Orange. And click 3DO for you to see the back. And the color in here must be pink because the opposite of the orange is pink. And this side is blue. And the opposite of the blue is green. And here in the bottom, which is the base, is white. Then before it is finished, set this into color black. Black. You see? Make sure that you colored it all into black. Thank you. And then this is the finished Rubik's Cube. This is the face of a 3D Rubik's Cube in AutoCAD. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching, and hope you learned something from my tutorial.